welcome to Code Together Telugu. So last videos we have discussed about web methods, navigation methods, and weighting methods, and selector hub, XPath, everything we have discussed. So if you are watching this video the first time, you just go through whatever the topics we have covered earlier. You just go through it. We have created Selenium playlist. You just go through that list. Then you come to know you come to know the details. Now we are going to discuss about checkboxes. So how to handle checkboxes in a particular file. So that is what we are going to discuss now. For that one, if you want to handle anything, if you want to handle with a web page, you need to create a object for that browser. So in order to create any object, you need to use a new keyword. After that, for which one you are creating, I am creating for the Chrome driver. And this Chrome driver will be available in which class? So it is in a WebDriver class. So this is that. And once you created, you need to import the things. Here you can see, once you hover it, you come to know, you will get some advice. Just click on that. Okay, after that, here also same, you just click on it. So I have created browser. Now what I want to know, I want to navigate to the I want to navigate to that page. Which page we are going to work with now? I have open now. Here HTTPS automation, yeah. But here it's a test. So this page is good, I guess, because here you will have all the elements. Okay, all the elements you have. So now we are going to dealing with these things. So here we have two things, and here we have 1 2 3 4 7. So here 2 and here 7. So what are these and what are these? These are called radio checkboxes. Checkboxes means you can select multiple things. You can select all the days, like for example, if you are filling form for work, rostering some kind of things, in that Monday to Friday we are going to work, or Sunday, Saturdays, holidays, like that, some kind of things. If you are talking about holidays, we are just clicking like this, right? Or else you have to select remaining these things. So there is an option which you can select multiple, called checkboxes. And another thing, here if you select one thing, that is male, I have selected. If I select female, automatically male thing will be unselected. But here not like that, it will be selected, but here it will be like this. So that is the radio button, and this is the thing. Both are having same functionalities, but now we are going to dealing about checkboxes. Okay, while we are go through these checkboxes, you come to know easily this thing, because you don't select all the options, you are just selecting the option. So that is also we can select, we can go through the later. Okay, that is what our session, our motto now. So now I am just giving this thing here. It should be in a string format. Once you given what you need to do, we can maximize the screen, right? So because whenever we are opening, it will be in a minimal screen, so you can maximize it. So for that one, you need to just click on driver. In that driver, you will have a manage method. In this manage method, you will have window. In window, you will have maximize option. So you need to remember these things, because you need to, same as it is, you have to work on it. Okay, this is the thing. Once we done, that will be open and maximized. Okay, so now how to select checkboxes. For example, if you are dealing with only one thing, you can easily do, right? Like how you can do, we have one option called driver dot, what is that method? That is find element. So here you need to give how to give thing, based on you can use a CSS selector, or you can use XPath, but now I am using XPath by XPath. So once you are giving this, you need to give the XPath here. So just click on this, and here you have selector hub. I have already explained like how to add selector hub to your Chrome browser. You just go through the previous things if you missed it. Okay, so here you can copy relative XPath. But before going to do how to, is it working or not, you can check it easily. Is it you just go to it, here you have right here, just click on, not here, I think it will be, I'm getting these things. Okay, fine. This is literally here you have selector hub. In the selector hub, just copy that, whatever you done, right, just enter. It will, here you can see highlighted, means you are selected correctly. Here you can see the highlighter, right, so you have selected correctly. Now you just paste it over here, that's it. Then what you need to do, what action you want to perform, you want to perform click action. So that is thing, right, click action, that's it. Just click on it and just run it. I don't want to close this driver because I just want to check whether whether it is clicked or not. So that is the reason I have not add driver dot quit method. Now let's see, let's run now. So it's opening, after that it's going to maximize. Yeah, here you can see Sunday selected. Okay, same for, this is for this, right, for example, if you want to go with this one, you need to no, this page won't work because this is opened by just close this one, and here you just copy selector hub, copy relative XPath. Okay, so I'm just changing the radio button thing because both are same, there is no difference. That is the reason I'm changing. Okay, now run it. See, male selected. If you are selecting female, no, it automatically unselect. Okay, so that's it. So you need to select only one. So we don't have that much options in radio buttons, but we have options in checkbox. Let's, okay, this is the one. If there is only one one option if you are selecting, in that case this one. For example, if you have a multiple options, in that case how you can select, just comment it out. Now we have one method called driver dot find. If you want to have multiple elements, we have find elements. Okay, here we are giving by using XPath, only by XPath. Now you here you need to give multiple things, right, so these things all checkboxes you are going to give. Now for that one, you just go to, if you select, if you are using selector hub, it won't work because you are dealing with the multiple things. So you need to write it customized one. So you just open this and here just inspect selector, not selector hub, just what is that, inspect. In inspect you need these modules, right, days module. So where it is, you need to find out. This is the form group, these are our form group. No, you just select this icon and just select this area. See this area, again it went. Where is that Sunday? It's not opening. Yeah, here form group is there, no, this is the form group. Here just maximize it. Here you can see label for days. See here all these things. So here what you need to do now, what is the common thing for all the elements, you need to find out how to handle multiple things. Now you need to handle like this. Here you can see class form check form, you can see class form check form. Here if you open selector hub, and here if you give this thing, but here, so this XPath invalid, 0 elements. No, while you are using XPath, you need to follow some syntax, right? So we need to add that syntax. So what is the syntax? For any XPath, you need to have, first thing is like, what is this tag? First thing you have to understand that. So here form check, keep it the same. So you need to give input. After input, what you need to give, what is that tag? So it's a class tag, right? So CSS selectors at the symbol is should be there, CLASS class equal to. So this is the thing, and you need to close this thing, like what is this bracket, then select. Again you have, so you need to give here single quotes. So if you are doing, and if you learn, then you will come to know like what is that. Here it's still, it has an issue. Why? From check inline, what is, but this is the division tag, right? But here, yeah, no, we have copied the wrong thing. So select these thing, paste it over here. See here, 9 elements selected, but we have only, how many elements we have? We have only 7 elements. Here this one is also selected. Here all these elements you can see highlighted, all the elements are highlighted. Okay, 1 2 3, all 9 elements are highlighted. So you need to avoid these two things. How to avoid these two things? So here you just to go up and days, here one more group is there. Here you can see class is from check form, label gender, and okay, you can use end is there, no, we can use end here. Sunday, which we have another thing, type is there, no, type checkbox, and Sunday type checkbox, and here this is for Monday, and type checkbox is there, no, you can copy this and put and symbol, then enter. And type is the CSS selector, right? You need to give this one. Now enter. Invalid XPath. Why we are having invalid XPath? Checkbox. Let's okay, we have closed this one, no, here. Okay, whenever you are having any errors, you just read it carefully, you will come to know, you can easily handle. See here, got it, we have 7 elements found. So you can use this one, you can use the CS selector. You see all the selectors are selected, you can see the symbol, kind of symbol, so you can use. So you can copy this, and instead of null you are using this one. Okay, that's it. And yeah, of course we need to add something here, quotes. So here you can use single quote, double quote won't work, no, you need to use single quote. Single quote will work, or else you need to put some slashes. So don't get confused, and not here, you have to use here, and here also you need to use. See, okay, now what it will return? So find element will return only web element, and this one will return what it will return? It will return list. So what list it will return? List web element. So this is the list it is returning, right? Now you can make it like chk bo xs. Okay, so you need to add here, we need to import this one, and you need to import list also. Just hover it, hover, import list. Okay, so whatever the excuse me, so whatever the elements are returned, so those will be stored here. So this is the list type. How to access list type now? So you have all the elements. Now how to access? So for accessing element, you will have two things. One is enhanced for loop and a normal, another one is normal for loop. Just go with the normal for loop. So for that one, for loop, so just write it for. So you need to take one variable, that is an initialization variable, and it starts with 0, and up to what it will return, like up to how many iterations it has to be written. It has to be written, based on the list size. So you need to use one method that is called, so you need to use element we have saved. This is the element, right? Checkboxes dot, here we have size. So you will have this one. So you will have one number, this number up to I less than. So up to this, for example, in our element we have 7, right? So it will return 7 less than, because it starts with 0, right? So 7 less than means it will be 0, Sunday will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So less than 7, not equal to. If you are putting equal to, you need to put initialization with 1. So that is the reason. Okay, then every time we are incrementing I. Okay, now just open braces. Now here what action you are going to do? So checkboxes, we have copied, right? Checkboxes dot, we have one method that is called get I. So get I means, for example, starting initial stage I is 0, right? So what is I of 0? Sunday. So Sunday will be clicked. So you need to put click method. Click method. Okay. So Sunday click. Okay. So that's it. Clicked. That's it. Yeah, that's it. It's going to click. So I equal to 0 means it will going to click, then I will be incremented, then so here it will check the condition. The condition is I is 1 less than checkbox size. What is checkbox size? Checkbox size is 7. If you want to print, you can print this one alone in the above statement. It will work. Okay, so it will run up to that iterations and it will be clicked. Just click run it. See, all are clicked. That's it. All are clicked, right? And we have one more method. We can use that one also. We can put it some comments. Okay. Then what is that method? That is called enhanced method. That method is very simple. For loop. And here which one you are going to return? Checkboxes, right? You are just dealing with this one, right? So you need to add this one. So what it will return? So you just store chk. It's a normal it's variable. And what is that element? That is the web element, right? Web element space. That's it. Just put. And here what action you are going to do? Click action. So chk dot click. chk dot click. That's it. Okay, run it now. Let's see whether it's work or not. See, this browser is not closing because I have not used driver.quit method. That is the reason. Okay, so all items is selected. Okay, no, or else if you want to access, if you want to select only Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, in that case you need to identify all these elements, how many elements are there. Based on that, you need to adjust that for loop. So for this one we don't want now, because whenever we want to have all the elements, in that case it will work. If you want to specific elements, it won't work. So you need to come with this one only, normal for loop. Here if you want to access last elements or first elements, you can increase. For example, if you want to so you can put like, you know, checkbox size is there, no? So how many elements are there? You have so if you want to select first 3 days, so in that case you just put 3, I less than 3. So 0 1 2, so up to 3 it will select. Just run it like this. You can adjust. See, only first 3 selected. Okay, that's it. Or else you want to add I plus 2, I equal to I plus 2 will work. I'm not sure, like syntax wrong. Or else I equal to, okay, here I plus plus. If you want to select you know, alternative days means here you are going to increase I equal to I plus 1. Here I am giving one more, right? Or else here you can give I'm not sure, like I equal to I plus 2. I'm not sure we can give or not. Yeah, it's working. Here I am giving alternative days. So first it will check with 0, then I is incrementing 2 times. So Monday will be skipped and Tuesday will be clicked on. So like that you can use, you know, you can use some logical thing, and it will work. Let's see. I'm not sure about that syntax, whether we can use that, but let's see. Yeah, it's working. See, alternative days it's working. So Monday, Wednesday, and, you know, Friday. So like this you can you can work around it. And what else we want to check now? For example, if it is selected, if you want to unselect, in that case what you can do, again you can do the loop. For example, here it is for selecting, and if you are using same loop for unselecting, just do it. And here your whatever the items are selected, those items will be unselect. Let's run it. See, selected and unselected. Let's close these things. Okay, and for example here here whatever here it is working with the logic. For example, you are mentioning I plus plus. Here how it will work? Here I plus plus means all the elements will be clicked, right? If it is selected, it will be unselected. If it is not selected, it will going to select. See, it is going infinity. I is clicking on Sunday continuously. Why? I equal to 0 for loop, I less than I equal to I. So here is the mistake. That's it. See, whatever the elements are selected, those are unselected, and whatever the elements are not selected, those are selected. But here if you want to select only items which are selected, so remove this thing I plus plus. Okay, and okay, keep it as it is. Here you can see these are things, right? Because these are not selected, that is the reason you are having this. But I don't want this. This code I wrote it for unselection. But whatever the elements are not selected, those are selecting. So in that case it is not correct way, right? For that one we can write one thing. If this one, so get I, what it will be in a get I. So get I, now if it is selected, so we have one method. What is that method? Is selected. This is third one. So if it is selected, then click it, or else don't click it. That's it, no? Because earlier whatever the elements, there is no logic it is checking. Here you come to know, like once I run, you come to know some error is there. Unselection checkbox line number 40. Okay, in for loop is create called, I think I have not added this one. I think this is okay. Okay, now run it. See here it is selecting in the alternative days, like it is selecting Sunday, it is selecting Sunday, then leaving Monday as is, then selecting Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. After that loop it's continuously clicking on it. For example, if I click on it, it will be auto unselected, right? If you click on selected, click in selected, like those actions are only we are doing. But second item, what we do, we have added one condition, that is if it is selected then only click. If it is not selected, don't do any action, you just ignore it. That is what we are saying to this code. Run it. See, that's it. So now there is no Monday and Wednesday was not selected, no? That is what, this is what about, unselection, selection. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I think I have covered all the aspects of checkboxes. Next video we can add some more, we can come with another topic. Bye. Please do like, subscribe my channel.